In this short video, I'm going to discuss the Concentric Layers Materials Protocol for measuring layer thickness.
To launch the protocol, select the Count Size tab and press the Protocols button. Next, select the Materials group. Scroll down to Layers Protocols and select Concentric Materials. Press the Load button. With the protocol now open, each protocol includes a demonstration image. Simply select the drop-down and press the Load Demo. Next, press the Sync button and assign the image or channel to the appropriate section. In this case, the setup is set to the monochrome image. We have two layers, and we have an outer and inner layer. In this case, we need to select the monochrome image. By default, the protocol is loaded with the interactive turned on, so we can step through the protocol and test our settings. Press the Next Step button, and simply follow the prompt. In this case, we're going to use the magic wand to define the center of our sample. Click on the area threshold. You can also use the other features in here, such as manual, to define the center of our sample. When done, press the OK button. You also have adjustments for the sampling frequency. When ready, press the Resume button. Next step. Next, we'll define the outer layer. Simply follow the prompt. In this case, we're going to use the magic wand to define the outer layer. This is defined by setting the top boundary to polygon top and the bottom boundary to polygon bottom. Again, by default, we're using magic wand, and you can also adjust the threshold if needed for your sample. Press the OK button when done. Next step. And now we'll define the inner layer. In this case, this is defined by the previous layer and the polygon bottom, which we'll use the magic wand to define this region. We can adjust the threshold if needed for your sample. And again, there are segmentation options available. Press the OK button when done. And next step to continue. All measurements are now made. A pie chart is generated, and the data table. A snapshot is included by default with this protocol. Cell to see the results. And we include all the statistical information. When done, press the Finish button. At this point, you can continue and analyze individual images, or you can turn off interactive mode and point to a folder. So you can select a folder of images and batch analyze them. Measure the images one